It's happened to all of us. You're trying to watch a DVD, but the disc is stuttering worse than Ken in a fish called Wanda. Sure, you could purchase one of those cleaning kits at your local retailer, or you can try the cheaper home remedy. Here's what to do. Take a cotton cloth, or a smooth towel. Not a tissue or anything similar that can leave a residue. Then find some rubbing alcohol or cheap perfume. By holding the DVD by its outer rim, spray a bit of the liquid onto the underside of the disc, the part that the laser reads, and gently wipe from the inside of the DVD to the outside. And repeat this motion by going around the disc in a clockwise or counterclockwise fashion. Just remember not to rub in circles. Simply start from the inside and gently push outwards. Now, wait until it dries before putting it back into the player. And you can also blow on the underside of the dry DVD to make sure that there's no dust or hair or anything else. Chances are, you've removed most or all of the dirt from the grooves and it'll be good as new. Happy viewing!